Here's what the headlights looked before we started on this project.
It's really hard to see any of the reflector in there or anything, so.
Here's a variety of different sandpapers we used. Start with 320 grit and go up from there. We finished with 1000.
On the 600 grit on this side. This one done. Renado's fine handiwork.
Painful. Hard to try and keep doing circles for this long.
You need to do triangles.
I'm gonna have to do something. These circles aren't working. It's looking good though.
Looking better. Definitely takes a bit of elbow grease, but certainly looks like it improves it dramatically. Alright, we got it all masked off here so we can hit it with a spray bomb of clear coat. It looks cloudy now, but it should, when it's wet, it looks really good. So we'll hit that and see how she looks. So, let that dry, and then we'll hit it with the spray. Wow.
Holy, if it looks like that.
If it looks like that afterwards, that'd be amazing.
Let's just let it set up so we don't get any runs.
One little spot right over there.
I don't want to go over a spot. I don't want to risk any runs.
Got
I'll let that set for a minute before we hit it again.
Yeah, no one likes the runs. Wax on, wax on, wax on, wax on. Yeah, so you can see a little bit of this, sort of like a spider webbing in there. That looks like it's internal to the plastic, so we don't think we could get that out even if we sand it down. We started with a thicker grit, or coarser grit, I mean.
Yeah, you can start to see the plastic spider web. Yeah, yeah. Those are not cracks.
Yeah, those aren't cracks at all. Show you the other side. We did some work on it because we saw the spider webbing. I think that was the result of the paint itself reacting to alcohol that we had put on to clean the lens before we started painting. So we've actually resanded that since. So we're trying this one now without any alcohol applied and seeing if it gets better. So, all right, hit it now. Just applying the clear coat after the sanding down to 1000 grit.
I don't see any on that.
So far, so good.
We'll wait till coat 3 to make our decision though.
So you said you noticed that webbing right away?
Right
as
away,
soon as you sprayed it?
as soon as we came across the front.
I guess that's true. I could go back and check. Yeah.
Well, let's see what happens.
Well, then we'll have our answer, right?
Yeah.
We'll just redo the other one.
I mean,
hit it with. We'll probably just have to hit it again with 320.
We're gonna have to go all the way down to at least 400, if not 320.
Yeah. Hit it again. So.
Describe this?
Yeah, you're gonna describe it. What are we doing today?
So we're gonna do our take 2 of the headlight paint. So yesterday they looked fantastic. Nothing wrong with the product, but it doesn't like headlights. So
these are the ones we tried.
Don't do all the work. And try those for whatever reason. They don't like plastic, at least plastic on the headlights.
Created a spidering of some sort, right?
Exactly. So we're gonna try this guy. Got the special little button to add your hardener at the bottom. I'm going to start with a really light coat, then go in and make a coffee, and then tackle the rest later, and we'll see what it looks like.
All right. Let's hit it.
All right, let's leave that. All right, let's give that some time to set.
Yep. Already see it coming up.
different from the
Oh, yeah.
second one for sure. Now that calls for coffee for real this time.
Yeah, see now that's really looking good. Oh yeah. All right,
Alright.
one more hit. This is
One more
this
coat.
basically done 1.5 coats. Now we're going for the second. Good.
Good looking at it.
This is like night and day difference from the other one, huh?
Very
From the
impressive.
Rust-Oleum products, it's like, wow.
That headlight looks like new.
It really does.
I'm hoping the other one can catch up here because it's got a couple of spots. Oh yeah, it's drying.
It's coming out.
This one's drying, right?
Yeah.
Definitely needs a little more liquid at the bottom.
Yeah, exactly. Just another. Essentially the last coat. Let's see.
All right, let's do it. Final coat.
Final coat. Beauty.
All right, here we go. Yeah,
Awesome.
I think that'll do it.
Oh yeah. Crystal clear.
So, was it worth it?
Let's take a look.
Yeah, I think
Pretty nice.
we did a pretty decent job there.
Thanks. You did an alright job too on this one.
Yeah, we had a
We
couple
just give
of
it
couple of areas we might have wanted to spend 10 more minutes, but
overall pretty darn
vast
good.
improvement.
Fantastic. Got lights in that. Beauty.
Let's turn on the flasher.
Flasher's going. Oh yeah.
It's nice. Other
Pretty
people
nice.
be able to see it too.
Next job, we just need to do the hood, which looks like crap. Can't quite tell right here as much, but that all needs to be done too. So. Look at this. It's done. Yellow headlights are no longer yellow.